The average knowledge worker consumes 11.4 hours of content per week, but retains less than 10% of it. A second brain turns that 90% loss into a compounding asset you can search and reuse forever. Don't save everything. Save what resonates. If a quote, idea, or data point makes you stop and think, capture it immediately. Use a single inbox like a Notion database or Obsidian Daily Note. The key is zero friction between encountering an idea and saving it. Use Para to organize capture notes. If it relates to an active project, it goes in projects. If it supports an ongoing responsibility, it goes in areas. If it might be useful someday, resources. If it's done, archives. Never organize by topic, organize by when you'll use it. Progressive summarization is the secret weapon. Bold the key passages on your first pass. Highlight the bolded passages on your second. By the third pass, you've distilled a 2,000-word article into 3 sentences that capture the core insight. A second brain isn't a graveyard for notes. It's a launch pad for creation. When you need to write an email, create a presentation, or make a decision, search your second brain first. You'll be amazed how much past you already collected. Start your second brain today. Download my free starter template for Notion or Obsidian from the description. You'll be surprised how quickly it becomes indispensable.